Good morning, dear student. How are you? I think you are fine. The school is shutting down due to COVID-19 and you are staying at home with your parents and relative. তাই না? করোনা ভাইরাসের কারণে তোমরা বাড়িতেই আছো এবং বাবা মায়ের সাথেই আছো. That's why I appear before you to discuss about English for today, especially for the student of class 3. আজ আমি এসেছি তৃতীয় শ্রেণীর শিক্ষার্থীদের ইংরেজি বিষয়ে একটি বিশেষ চ্যাপ্টার নিয়ে আলোচনা করতে. First, I want to introduce myself. I am Rupa Mullik Rupu, Assistant Teacher, TNT Gate Government Primary School, Khagrachuri. So, my dear student, you all are welcome to my class. At very first, I want to show you some pictures. Let's see the pictures. চলো আমরা কিছু ছবি দেখি. My dear student, what can you see in the pictures? ছবিতে তোমরা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছ প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা? Yes, some birds. কিছু পাখি. I think all these birds are familiar with us. আমরা সবাই চিনি এদেরকে. Let's see the names of the birds. Cuckoo. It's cuckoo. Cuckoo means কোকিল and it's a singing bird. কোকিল একটি গায়ক পাখি. Then it's parrot. তোতা পাখি. Here it is in different color, but especially it's made in one color and it's green color. Then magpie. Magpie মানে কি বন্ধুরা? দোয়েল পাখি. And it's our national bird, আমাদের জাতীয় পাখি. Last one is crow. Crow means cock and it's familiar and common bird. We can see it anywhere. আমরা যে কোনো জায়গায় কিন্তু কাক দেখে থাকি. So here is different kinds of birds. বিভিন্ন ধরনের পাখি. Dear student, now I would like to show you a video. From this video, you can realize what will our today's topic. Please enjoy the video. My dear student, can you understand about this video? I think you can understand about this video. It is about a thirsty crow and you read about this story in your Bengali book when you are in class 1. প্রথম শ্রেণীর বাংলা বইতে তোমরা তৃষ্ণার্ত কাক সম্পর্কে পড়েছিলে. গল্পটা কিন্তু সেই কাক সম্পর্কে. So today we are going to know about a common bird and it's crow. এটা হলো কাক. Dear student, in my last class I discussed with you about a pet animal and it was a cat. And today I want to discuss with you about a crow and its same chapter. What do they do? What do they do? Please open your book. Unit 23, lesson 4 to 6, page number 46 and write the topics to your এক্সারসাইজ বুক। বন্ধুরা অনুশীলনীর নামটি তোমাদের খাতায় লিখো। ওকে, at very first I want to discuss with you about some new word from this passage and their Bengali meaning. Some word with their Bengali meaning. Let's start. My first word is crow. Everybody pronounce with me, crow. Its Bengali meanings কাক। crow মানে কাক। Then tree. Tree it means গাছ। tree মানে গাছ। Then early. Early means ভোর বা ভোরবেলা। Next, it's dirty. Pronounce with me, dirty. And its Bengali meanings নোংরা। dirty মানে নোংরা। Then sky. And sky means আকাশ। sky মানে আকাশ। Then quick. Quick means দ্রুত। quick মানে দ্রুত। So, dear student, I think you can realize all the word with their Bengali meanings. তোমরা শব্দগুলো ইংরেজি শব্দগুলোর বাংলা অর্থ বুঝতে পেরেছো নিশ্চয়ই। তাহলে I like to discuss with you about the passage. Please, my dear student, listen to the text attentively. সবাই মনোযোগ সহকারে আজকের পাঠটি শুনবে। I'm a crow. I live in a tree. I get up early in the morning. I'm active all day. I fly in the sky and look for food. Sometimes I take food from people. I'm very quick. Sometimes I eat dirty things. এখানে কাক তার নিজের সম্পর্কে বলছে। সে বলছে আমি ক্রো, আমি একটি কাক। I live in a tree. আমি একটি গাছে বাস করি। I get up early in the morning. আমি খুব ভোরে ঘুম থেকে উঠি। I'm active all day. আমি সারাদিন খুব কর্মঠ থাকি। I fly in the sky and look for food. আমি আকাশে উড়ি এবং খাবার খুঁজি। Sometimes I take food from people. মাঝে মাঝে আমি লোকজনের থেকেও খাবার নিই। I am very quick. আমি খুব দ্রুত। Sometimes I eat dirty things. মাঝে মাঝে আমি নোংরা জিনিসও খেয়ে থাকি। Dear student, I already discussed it that the crow eat dirty things, isn't it? So what can you realize from this passage? You can realize about a crow. It's live in a tree. It get up very early in the morning. It very active all day. It fly in the sky and look for food. Sometimes it take food from people and it eat dirty things. Okay? Can you understand the passage? I think you can understand. Let's discuss about. I like to discuss with you about true or false. My dear student, do you know why we should learn true or false? তোমরা কি জানো আমাদের কেন এই ট্রু মানে সত্য, ফলস মানে মিথ্যা, এই ট্রু ফলস কেন জানা দরকার? We should learn true or false to realize or understand the chapter or our passage perfectly. আমাদের পাঠের বিষয়টা ভালোভাবে বোঝার জন্যই কিন্তু সত্য মিথ্যাটা পড়তে হয়। I have 6 true or false sentence. First one is the crow lives in a tree. The crow lives in a tree. What will be the answer? Is it true or false? Let's match with me. It's true. The crow lives in a tree and it's true. Next one. The crow gets up late in the morning. The crow gets up late in the morning. Is it true or false? I think you can answer. Match with me. It's false. The crow gets up early in the morning and it will be the answer. Next, the crow is lazy. The crow is lazy. Is it true or false? I think you can answer. Let's match with me. It's false. Crow is not lazy. What will be the answer, dear student? It will be as like the crow is active. Next one. The crow takes food from people. The crow takes food from people. Can you answer it? Match with me, dear student. It's true. Crow takes food from people and it's true. Next, the crow is slow. The crow is slow. What will be the answer? The answer is false. Dear student, what will be the right answer? The crow is quick. Last, the crow doesn't eat dirty things. The crow doesn't eat dirty things. What will be the answer? Answer is false. So, what will be the correct? The crow eat dirty things. It's correct. My dear student, do you realize the true or false? I think you can realize and understand this true or false. I have 3 questions for you. You should answer me the questions. My first question is, what is the name of the bird? What is the name of the bird? পাখিটির নাম কি ছিল প্রিয় শিক্ষার্থীরা? Yes, you are right. The name is the crow. It's the crow. Then, where does it live? Where does it live? Can you answer me? Yes, you can answer me. The answer is tree. The crow lives in a tree. Last question. When it gets up? When the crow gets up? The answer is early in the morning. The crow gets up early in the morning. So what can you understand from this question and answer? We can understood about the passage again, isn't it? Yes. Now I have some gaps for you and you should fill it with these 5 options. There is 5 gaps and I have 5 options for you and you should fill in the gaps with these options. Okay? Let's start. তোমাদের এখন কি করতে হবে? শূন্যস্থানটা পূরণ করতে হবে এই 5টি অপশন দিয়ে। ঠিক আছে ছোট বন্ধুরা? চলো আমরা শুরু করি। The crow is a dash bird. The crow is a dash bird. What will be the answer, dear student? The answer is clever. Chalak. The crow is a clever bird. Then it gets up dash. It gets up. What will be the answer? I know you can answer me. Now match with me. Early. It gets up early. Then it is dash active. It is dash active. What will be the answer? Very active. It is very active. It's dash in the sky. What will be the answer? It's, yes, it is fly in the sky. Akashe udte pare. Then sometimes it take food from the dash. It's already you can show, look. Sometimes it take food from the people. Can you understand, dear student? It's really so easy. And if you read this passage again, you can answer this easily. Okay? Now I am going to discuss with you about a one day, one word. Today I take a word, easy word, and it's early. It's early. Please spell with me, dear student. E-A-R, that is R-L-Y, ly, early. E-A-R, that is R-L-Y, ly, early. Its Bengali meaning is bhor. Dear student, early mane bhor. We have learned it at first, so you can easily answer me. Early means bhor. My dear student, do you know why do you need to learn one day one word? তোমাদের কেন one day one word জানা দরকার, তোমরা কি জানো? If you learn a word in a day, you can learn 365 words in 1 year. বুঝতে পেরেছো? যদি প্রতিদিন একটি করে ইংরেজি শব্দ তোমরা শিখো, তোমরা কিন্তু 365 দিনে 365টি শব্দ শিখতে পারবে। ঠিক আছে বন্ধুরা? So now I would like to discuss about a sentence with this word. At first tell me, can you make a sentence with this word? তৈরি করতে পারবে একটি বাক্য এই শব্দটা দিয়ে? I know you can make a sentence. First I want to show you who is made by me. I write that I get up early in the morning. I get up early in the morning. আমি খুব ভোরে ঘুম থেকে উঠি. You can write it in another way. Kya gets up early in the morning. You also can write it Crow gets up early in the morning. Okay, dear student, I think you can understand my today's one day one word. Now I want to give you a home task. Dear student, I want to give you a home task, and it's write 3 sentences about a crow. So easy. You can write it. তোমরা এটা লিখতে পারবে, আমি জানি। আজকে তোমাদেরকে আমি দিচ্ছি কাক সম্পর্কে 3টি বাক্য লিখতে। Don't worry. I will write it in board, and you can easily write it in your exercise book. Let's see to the whiteboard. A crow. Crow is a clever bird. কাক একটি চালাক পাখি. It gets up early in the morning. এটা খুব ভোরে ঘুম থেকে ওঠে. It is very quick. এটা কি অনেক দ্রুত, তাই না বন্ধুরা? You should write in this way. তোমরা এভাবে লিখলেও তোমাদের কাক সম্পর্কে 3টি বাক্য হবে. You can write it in another sentence. তোমরা অন্যভাবেও লিখতে পারো, but it is so easy for writing 3 sentences about a crow. Okay? So dear student, what we learned today? আমরা আজ কি শিখলাম? I have discussed, at first I show you some pictures about familiar birds. Then I discuss with you, then I show you a video, nice video about a thirsty crow. Then I declare you today's lesson and I match with you that last day, আগের দিন I discuss with you, তোমাদের সাথে কি আলোচনা করেছিলাম? একটি পোষা প্রাণী বিড়াল সম্পর্কে। আর আজ আমি আলোচনা করেছি একটি পরিচিত পাখি কাক সম্পর্কে, and 2 is from one chapter. What do they do থেকে কিন্তু আমাদের আজকের পাঠটিও ছিল। And I discuss with you some new words and its Bengali meaning. Then I discuss the passage. I discuss with you some true or false, 3 questions with their answer. I also discuss some fill in the gaps. I discuss with you about one day, one word, and I give you a home task. You should write it. Please write it in your home and তোমাদের বাবা মা কি বলে, তোমাদের বাবা মার অ্যাডভাইসগুলো, উপদেশগুলো কিন্তু শুনবে। ডোন্ট গো আউটসাইড, স্টে অ্যাট হোম অ্যান্ড লুক অ্যাট ময়মনসিংহ অনলাইন স্কুল। চোখ রাখবে ময়মনসিংহ অনলাইন স্কুলে, প্রতিদিনের প্রতিটি ক্লাস তোমরা দেখবে। And I will appear before you another day with another topics. Till then, everybody stay okay and be safe. Okay, dear student? Allah Hafiz and goodbye.